Hello everybody to this series of videos where we're solving the Natas web security CTF challenges. In this video we are doing Natas 8, and this one looks a lot like Natas 6, I think. We have to input a secret. In Natas 6 we could find the secrets in a different PHP file on the web server. But let's see how this looks here. We can view the source code. And it's a little bit different. They give us an encoded secret instead. So the point is we have to decode this secret. And how is it encoded? Well, we need to submit a string that when it's run through the encode secret, it matches this one, right? So the secret, I can see this from this line here, right? If you're wondering how I know that. It takes the secret, it base64 encodes it, then it does a string reverse, and it does this bin to hex. Now, we need to do this in reverse to this string, because none of these steps actually are one-way steps, which they should be. Like, they should be a hash or something, right? Even then, if you put the hash like this, I don't think that's very secure, because you could compute hashes until you find it. But it basically means that we have to do these steps here in reverse. So instead of doing a base64 encode, a string reverse, and then a bin to hex, we have to do a bin to hex, a string reverse, and then a base64 decode, right? Well, we would have to do a hex to bin, right? Now, the PHP bin to hex is actually not binary, like not zeros and ones. It's just like an ASCII thing. So I'm going to show you a cool tool called CyberChef. If you haven't used this before, it's very, very useful. It allows you to make recipes, essentially. So we can put in our encoded string here. And the first thing we want to do is we want to do from hex, right? And that gives us the output. And then we want to do a string reverse. Let's see if it has this. Yeah, it has a reverse. It reverses the string. And then finally, we want to do a base64 decode. And that gives us the string. So if you're confused about what happened here, we're just doing the steps, right? So we're saying, take this one and convert it to UTF-8 or ASCII. Then reverse the string, and then do a base64 decode. So this is the secret that once run through all of these steps will yield this. So when we input the secret, we do indeed get the password. So that was Natas 8. Thanks everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.